Hey guys, it's Allison here, and I had a surprise in my mailbox today when I went to check, and this is my March Simon Says Stamp kit. After it took so long for my February one to get here, I really wasn't expecting this to arrive for another few weeks, so this is exciting. On a sad note, the daughter who has been waiting for birthday cards to arrive all week did not get any yet, but oh well. Let's take a look inside. Something sort of fell apart here. Okay, I believe this is like a Spectrum Noir. Oh, sorry, no, Nouveau. Okay, so just starting at the top, the thing that went flying is a Nouveau pen of some description, and I will read what the description is in just a moment. We've also got some sort of Easter colored envelopes. This one has actually, I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. It's got like a wood grain embossed, very lightly embossed texture to it. The other ones are just a bit shimmery. And the stamp set, oh sorry, we've got two stamp sets this month. So the first one is this Easter one. So you've got ducky in the puddles and a bunny, and you got this boots with flowers. You make me hoppy, thanks, I love you. So not just for Easter, it could be just spring or just a general I love you card. And then this one is definitely more spring-like. Flowers, boots, a little bit of gingham. Bloom where you're planted, you bring sunshine to a gloomy day. Happy, choose joy, forever friend. And then this fun border stamp. I imagine the papers will coordinate somewhat, and I'll have to see. Hang on 1 second. Let's see who they're from. Cartabella, the spring, oh sorry, yes, Spring Market 6x6 pack. Usually these are double-sided. Cartabella and Echo Park generally have the double-sided papers, so you get an A side and a B side. Your A side has usually got a bit more pattern to it, more motifs on it, and then your B side a bit plainer. This one's got the cut aparts and a lovely leaf pattern. Look at those gorgeous boots. Kind of into boots right now. I don't know why. Maybe it's because where I live we get lots of rain. Lovely wood grain in a V. Another floral. Well, that's pretty. That'd be really easy to turn into a card because you have all this detail in the corner. Arrows with flowers in the center. Again, that would make a nice detail on the bottom of a card. This is like wreaths. And lovely wood grain / ledger. Lots of spring planting motifs. And a wood grain. Leaves and flowers. And a stripe. These are like little planters. And a nice green on the back. Green gingham. And a pink. These are like seed packets almost. And this has got text on it, all different herbs and flowers. Some border strips you can cut apart. And then it's like a market cart, a truck. We've also got some note cards. And 6x12 sticker sheet. This is from Cartabella as well to match. That's your inspiration sheet. And then, okay, we have got it says you're supposed to have cotton candy, but I think that's a pink. And then green apple and green leaf. So I've got green apple and green leaf. And I've got this sort of yellowy orange instead of the cotton candy. And then I've got the white and the Desert Storm. And then we also have, did I see 2 of these? Yeah, 2 ink pads. They're hybrid ink. I've got Hollyhock and Wisteria. And then these fun little pom-poms. So if you're stamping your bunnies, you can have them with bunny tails. They'd also be good, I think, if you were making like a pussy willow. I'm not sure if there's any twig stamps or anything like that. But maybe even on here, you could have some little pom-poms as like pussy willows or something. Just a thought. Okay, so that is the, oh yes, I was going to look up what this is exactly. Hang on a second. It says Tonic Studio Glitter Gloss Aqua Shimmer Pen. So let's just see what this does here. Test it out for you. So it'll probably just like look like water on the screen, and it is, but it has a shimmer in it. I don't know if I can get the light to play on that shimmer. So that'll be fun to add a little bit of sparkle to some of the stamped images. And of course I have another sucker. I always save these, and whenever I have 3, I give them to my daughters. I don't really do suckers. Okay, so I guess I know what I'll be playing with over the next few days. And yeah, that's exciting. This was unexpected. Like I said, the other one took so long to arrive that I really wasn't expecting this. So, yay! And stay tuned. I'll post any cards that I make on my website, Facebook page, YouTube, all those sort of places. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.